Hi guys, so in this video, we're gonna talking about kung worth it pa ba ang iPhone 6s Plus in this year 2025. So I have here the iPhone 6s Plus in 5.5 inches of display, and also the iPhone 6s came with the 4.7 inch of display. So dito muna tayo sa interface niya. So ano nga ba ang pinagkaibahan niya sa iPhone 6 Plus without S? Yung iPhone 6 Plus lang. So, itong iPhone 6s Plus is naka iOS 15.8.7 siya, and perfect for backup phone just like me. I'm using this as my backup phone, and this is amazing as a backup phone, and also you can use it as a main phone as well. Since iOS 15 is not too old pa naman siya pagkarating in this year 2025. So, pag-uusapan natin siya, this was released way back in 2015. And this was the first iPhone that they shipped with 3D Touch. 3D Touch is feature which they able you to pick in, as they said. Like for example, the camera, if you press a little bit harder, so meron siyang choices of action. Like for example, sa Instagram, wala na kasi ako Instagram. Hindi na ako nag-Instagram. Like for example, ayaw mong i-open literally yung timeline ng kung sino man. You have just press a little bit harder on the icon and it pop up without actually opening. So maganda siya. So ito, kumuha ko ng ilang mga information from the internet. So this was released pala way back September 9, 2015. And back at that time, grade 6 pa lang ako. And nakakamiss yung time na every time they release a new iPhone, meron siyang kasamang earphones, meron kasamang adapter, meron kasamang everything, may kasamang cord. Ngayon kasi, like yung na-experience ko dito sa main phone ko na ginagamit mismo yan, ang kasama niya is cord na lang. So wala nang separate na yung earphones, wala nang earphones, yung sticker, isa na lang. Kasi dati, kapag bumili ka dati ng iPhone, they ship an iPhone, 2 stickers, 2 Apple stickers talaga siya, and perfect for collections, pero ngayon isa na lang siya. So this is iPhone 6s Plus pala in silver, 64GB, and I'm using this as my second phone. Display natin siya, meron siyang strengthened glass oleophobic coating, yung makikita mo siya sa side, and yes, 3D touch, and this phone was shipped in iOS 8, I mean iOS 9. They shipped this iPhone in iOS 9 way back 2015. Ibig sabihin ang first version ng iPhone na ito is iOS 9. And they stopped updating this phone in iOS 15.8.1. But this phone, I think, is iOS 15.8.7 siya. Wait lang. iOS 15.8.7 to it. Ito siya. Ito, iOS 15.8.3 pala siya. Hindi na po focus yung camera. Ayan, sa memory niya is meron siyang 16, 32, and 64GB, 128. Itong hawak ko ngayon is 64GB siya. Main camera niya is 12 megapixel. Huge update siya compare sa iPhone 6 Plus. Ito, meron siyang 12 megapixel. Video niya is support. This was the first iPhone that they support the 4K resolution recording. Dati, sabi ko, ano ba yung 4K resolution na yan? Kung meron namang 1080p at 60 frame per second. Ang 1080p 16 frame per second pala hindi siya supported sa lahat ng laptop. But yung 4K resolution is supported na mostly of the laptop. If sa laptop kayo mag-edit ng mga video. Ako kasi sa cellphone lang ako nag-edit. Wi-Fi, ayan. Meron siyang NFC. Ito yung pinaka-best feature nito para sa akin, yung NFC. Ayun siya. Tapos, ang color niya is space gray, silver, and gold. But they ship a new color in this iPhone kasi ang iPhone 6 Plus is they ship lang with space gray, silver, gold, and this was the first iPhone that they shipped with the rose gold. So, wala akong rose gold. Kasi sobra naman ng pagkababae. So, kung hindi nyo pala natatanong, ang case na gamit ko on this iPhone 6s Plus is an official Apple silicone case in mint green. Hindi ko rin alam bakit mint green to kasi gusto ko rin naman talaga is orange. Ayan siya. So, ang kanyang technology, GSM, CDMA, HPA. Ibig sabihin, support niya ang LTE. So, napansin ko nga rin, hindi lumalabas yung 4G, hanggang LTE lang siya. Hindi ko alam, kasi itong cellphone na ito, lumalabas yung word na 4G sa taas, pero LTE lang siya. Ayan, so camera testing tayo. Hindi ko rin alam. So, sa camera testing, so ganyan yung camera niya. Ayan, so makikita nyo, I'm recording right now sa inyo, no? Ayan, nakikita nyo. So, ayan kayo. So, say hi guys. So, ganun. And sa front camera naman niya is not too bad naman pagkarating sa kanyang front-facing camera, no? Ayan siya. Ang napansin ko lang kasi, just like newer iPhone nowadays, is naka-wide angle siya. Unlike the iPhone 6s Plus, is kapag hawak-hawak mo yung phone na ganyan, is sobrang lapit pa rin siya. Wala siyang wide angle. Kung ano yung nakikita mo, yun na yun. It's just like a mirror. And ayan, so sobrang lapad ng mukha ko dito. Kulang na lang ma-occupy nga ng buong screen ng cellphone. So yun lang yung ayoko. Same as with the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, ganito lang din yun. Wala siyang wide angle. So yun. So thank you so much for watching this video. Gagawa ko ng separate video on what's on my secondary phone or what's on my iPhone. I mean, what's on my iPhone 6s Plus as a backup phone, kung ano yung mga app na ginagamit ko. So mag-picture muna pala tayo pang thumbnail. Or ganyan. So I'm about to remove this phone case na lang, no? I'm about to remove the phone case na lang para sa inyo. Oh, I messed up with switch button. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video.